Hi, this is Days in the Dark, and today we will be reviewing the Cuckoo Crack Up cards for the Cuckoo Birds. Okay. I got the Rockin' Roll Ship, and it comes with one Crack Up card. And then it comes with one bird, which is the humongous billed caterwauling who see what. It has the removable glasses. Oops. It's right in there. Okay. Then it comes with these stickers, which has all these numbers that you can put on. Then it says like egg on board, not a step. For sale, cheap. I love worms. Okay, just to test it out, have it run into package. It flings the bird when it crashes. So like when it hits this, which is that, then you just push it back down. Oops. Push it back down and put the bird in. Okay. Kind of flung the bird. And all of these pieces come off, so if you just want a plain egg car, that's just a wind-up one. Still works. It's all cracked everywhere. Okay. Here are all the others. There is a pirate ship, a high flyer, a hot rod, a ramjet. There's the one we have, or I have, and the aero chopper. Okay, that's all. This is Days in the Dark. Bye.